Right, so here is how you build a simple bridge in Minecraft. Now first you'll need to place a path like here. Now you don't want to do it like that. To do it at least 3 blocks of the water so the boats can get underneath. Okay, so you'll put it like across like that. See? Then what you need to do is make sure you add a fence along the side so that you don't fall off. Make sure you don't break the path. And so still filming. Then we need to continue making the path. Get rid of the rain. And do the fence on the other side. Get rid of the knobs on top of it. Okay, make sure you don't break the path. Okay, and there you go. Right, bye.